Racing gas is started. We have claimed my prize. Break quickly at the start. Moving a 40 outside. Nicole's Magic. Dr. Choice comes next. Grand Sensation. Doña Erica. While Terrible Heart is the early trailer. Ram going along for the first turn. We have Nicole's Magic. Viral Link Anyhap. Claim my prize in second. Down in third comes Dr. Choice. Then followed over by Grand Sensation. Terrible Heart. Moving a 40 outside now is Doña Erica. Half mile distance, Day Travel. We have Nicole's Magic. By over ahead, and on the outside comes Claim My Prize. Down in third comes Dr. Choice, Grand Sensation. Terrible Heart comes next, while Doña Erica is still racing in sixth. And on the far turn, we have Nicole's Magic maintaining a length and a half lead. And on the outside now is Claim My Prize. Dr. Choice in the middle. Grand Sensation is down in fourth. Doña Erica, Terrible Heart, and Diana went entering the home stretch. Nicole's Magic. Dr. Choice is running by the rail. Claim My Prize still in third. Grand Sensation. We're about 100 meters up the race. We have a long shot. Nicole's Magic this time by about 4 lengths. Followed by entry 2A. Dr. Choice, Grand Sensation, and final Nicole's Magic. Grand Sensation, Dr. Choice.